All right, so I bought this and I put it together, and I have a plan to try and fit both of these on there and then put them right back where they were. That way I can have both my welders on one cart. Let's see if I can make it work. This cart is not designed for that. It's meant for one MIG welder, maybe even a small TIG, and then you got your tank. It's supposed to be changed there. Put all your stuff down below. But I'm gonna put my MIG on top. I'm gonna put my arc welder right there somehow. I'm gonna have to prop it up so it doesn't rub against the wheels. It's gonna hit it no matter what, but I'm thinking about taking these off. And this is pretty much hollow. There might be something right here, but it's hollow. So it's touching right here on the wheels. I'm gonna prop that up. Doesn't seem to be too back heavy. Okay, it's doing all right. Some 2x4s down there to mock it up. Might screw those together and mount it to the base. All right, so here's the finished product. This is just sitting, gravity holding it on. I had to remove one of these mounts so that I could fit on there. I feel like this moves and then I can take the tank out real easy. And like before, 2x4s down below, I braced it and mounted it there. That way it's not gonna fall off. And honestly, it does pretty good. Nothing really tips around. I don't plan on wheeling it out that much. It's just gonna go right back there and wheel it out and use it. And if for some reason I need to, I can still take this off, but the idea is to have everything you need right there. You might be asking why didn't I just get one of these that was meant for both an arc welder and a MIG? And the answer is, I think these are like 50 to 100 at Harbor Freight, and I found this at a garage sale in its box for like 25. So I just kind of made it work. To be honest with you, I thought I was going to have some parts missing, but I think it's pretty good. So I'd say this is a win. What do you guys think? What would you have done different? Bam, storage. Nice.